Hi YouTube, my channel URL is https://www.youtube.com/channel/UC hyphen, and my channel name is YouTube Tips SPBK. So thank you very much for monetizing my channel on the 25th, and I was really sad to lose my monetization just 6 days after 2023. And the reviewer's feedback says the channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. All of my content is original and made by myself, and the voiceovers are my own voice. I'd like to take you through my creativity process. So I create my content myself using Adobe Express to design and create the graphics from scratch myself. I then use my gallery app, and then I moved the created images from Adobe into a video slide to make a movie. I also record my own voice using my voiceover recorder app, and then I import my voice into the gallery app to add it to the sounds to make my voice the voiceover. That's my creative process. And all of my content, my channel content, is about YouTube tips. So all of that content, I do my research, I record my voiceover, I make my graphics myself, and I put it together and create the movie. So that is my content. I handwrite my scripts too. Used in my content are the images that are provided from the Adobe Express app, free licensed photographs that they allow us to use, and those are the images you see in most of my videos. I have a few royal family videos on my channel, and I have created my own graphics and my own voiceovers, and I create and design all the graphics myself from scratch using Adobe Express, just like I create the rest of my content. I don't use anybody else's content, and this is my design process. The majority of my content is YouTube tips, and I use my own voice for the voiceovers, and I create all my graphics as you have seen in this video. I plead with you to please reinstate my monetization. I'll be very grateful. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope this will be sufficient. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.